Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for job hunting and career networking, LinkedIn. Whether you're a recent graduate looking for a career change or just curious about the job market, LinkedIn is the place to be. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to look for jobs on LinkedIn, so you can land on your dream job or explore new opportunities. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your LinkedIn account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you're in, make sure your profile is complete and up to date. This includes your work experience, skills, education, and a professional photo. A complete profile increases your chance of being notified by recruiters. Now let's access the Jobs tab. You can find it on the bottom menu of your LinkedIn homepage. Simply click on Jobs to begin your job search. Now here's where the magic happens. Use the search bar at the top to enter keywords, job titles, or company names related to the job you're looking for. As you scroll through the job listings, click on job title that interests you to view more details. Here you'll find information about the job descriptions, requirements, and the company. So take your time to read through and see if it's a good fit. Now ready to apply? Just click the apply button and follow the application instructions. If you're not ready to apply yet, no worries. You can save jobs by clicking on this bookmark icon. And don't forget that networking is a powerful tool on LinkedIn. So connect with professionals in your industry, join relevant groups, and engage in discussions. Networking can open up unexpected job opportunities. And that's how you can look for jobs on LinkedIn like a pro. Remember to keep your profile professional, customize your applications, and use LinkedIn as a platform for networking and personal branding. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quality content. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your job hunt.